Hey everyone, it's Nicholas Wilton at Art to Life. I wanted to talk a little bit about this big painting I'm working on. This is going to be for a winery, and it's really big. But the thing that's interesting about it is that this painting is going to be really different than this. And I just want to talk about, when you start a painting, or anything, it's really cool, and this is just like what I do, might be like food for thought for you, that like I'm just painting all this underneath. So this painting's not going to be like this at all, but what I like to do is just do something I've never done before. Like I don't do paintings like this, just bands of color, it's so refreshing to do something different. I just build this into my process. So in the beginning of every painting, I'm always trying to do things differently, even though if I kind of know where I'm going with it. Like I know what the client is kind of interested in. They like lighter colors. This is not at all what I'm thinking of having it done, but when it's finished. But getting to do this really, it pushes me, and I'm loving some of this. I'm loving just some of the color combinations and things, and I'm liking this more than almost any painting in the studio for some reason, and I don't know what it is, but it's just so different for me. And so really it's just a simple idea that you can, in every painting you want to have this. I think you want to have this experimental time that you can begin and set it up, because the stakes are so low. So this is just part of the thing is it's so big, and it was easy. I do something that's easy. It's easy to do stripes. It doesn't take that long. And this is all going to get covered up, and I'll be scratching through and sanding, and these colors kind of come in. But it's giving me color ideas. It's I really like some of these color combinations here that just happened by accident. This is not planned at all, but there's things about it that are maybe kind of cool and interesting. I might end up keeping some of this as a result of it. But the main thing is I'm learning something new, and I'm evolving, and I'm changing at a quicker rate, because I'm pushing myself. I'm going into different expanded areas, but it's not risky at all, because I know where this painting is kind of going. So it's just something to think about, that maybe when you start your next painting, try and do something completely different in the beginning, and it ends up influencing you and improving your work and keeping it more exciting. Hope that helps.